So, why am I here?
I'm here today, and I'm the person I am today because of public education.
I'm here because I'm a trans teacher, and my students and my fellow teachers are the community that is most important to me.
I want to be a voice for students. They need somebody to stand up for them and fight.
Been interested in collective bargaining and also sticking to the millionaires, I would say.
When I started learning about unions and how we got to have them, I heard a song that was an old union song. And the man singing the song said, "Union makes me happy." And he's crying because he came from a situation where workers didn't have rights at all. They didn't get to talk to each other. You go home covered in coal dust and all the work and sweat of the day, and you had no opportunities to have that camaraderie and that companionship. And so unions to me are not only an opportunity to raise a paycheck or get some kind of thing in a negotiation, it is an organization where you can meet people who do what you do, who see what you see, who understand the things that only you can understand in your job, in your bargaining unit, and you can get together and solve the problems that you desperately want to solve, that you wish somebody would solve, and that someone is you and your colleagues, and that's what a union is.
Sometimes the union can seem like this phantom entity that you're not a part of, but you just pay into, and then I had to learn kind of the hard way that I am the union. I am part of the union. And at that point, I wanted to be fully involved with what was going on, so I knew how to navigate certain things so I wasn't caught off guard with any major changes.
I absolutely love this program. I have to say thank you for giving of your time and your summer. I know that this will be incredibly powerful and meaningful work, and you'll make a lot of connections, a lot of memories, and you're going to help us build something special.
I love it, and I love using the privilege that I have to fight for other people.